Guys, we are back at Epcot to try some more of the food and drinks around the world for the 2024 Food and Wine Festival.
We're going to go try more new food and more returning favorites, and we're going to catch Luminous tonight.
Yep, so I think first we're going to start at the Connection Cafe, and so yeah, let's go do this. Let's go into Connections Cafe and see what food options they have in here. Ooh, Starbucks line is long. Here is the bakery where you can watch them bake and do some cooking. We're in line at Connections Eatery to try the Korean barbecue chicken sandwich. It is Korean barbecue chicken with pickled cucumbers on a brioche bun. Okay, so this is the Korean chicken sandwich. We're gonna give it a try. It seems like a lot of pickles on there. I mean, I don't mind. I like pickles, so let's see what it's working with. Got a little kick at the end. Okay, it's really good. It's got a little tang, a little sweet taste, but it finishes like kind of spicy to me. And the pickles really taste fresh and gives it a nice touch. I really like it. Try it. Tell me what you think.
That's really good.
I like it.
I would get it again. Oh yeah. The chicken is tender. It's really, really juicy. I don't know if you can see that.
I was saying something about too many pickles, but now I'm like, I want even more. I think they really complement the sandwich.
Yeah, they're really crisp and they have a nice acidity to them. They're really, really good. I would 100% recommend getting this again.
Finished up eating at Connections Eatery, and we had the Korean chicken sandwich, and it was excellent. We both said we would get it again. It was $12.49 before tax. It came with fries. It was piping hot. Of course, Disney fries are the best. They were amazing. Overall, I think it's a must try if you come to the Food and Wine Festival.
Yeah, one of the best things that I've had so far this year.
We are headed inside the land to get a caramel apple milkshake at Sunshine Season. And we noticed while we were checking the app for wait times that Soarin was only a 10-minute wait. So I think we're going to try to ride Soarin also. Let's see if we were right, if the wait time was really only 10 minutes. Oh, 15 minutes standby. That is awesome. We are definitely going to do it. This ride is normally over an hour wait, so let's ride it. The standby for Soarin', guys. This never happens.
Must be the opening of the fest.
I guess everybody's eating. I'm okay with that.
I'm so excited.
I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties.
Here we go. Are you excited?
Yeah.
One of my favorite rides, for sure. You gotta stay in your lane. All the way down. We're ready for takeoff.
Look at that one!
I know.
They're so tiny! Ah! How do we not? Jeez, eyes got blinded.
season, and as usual, it was great. We had such a fun time. Sadie, I'm sure you heard yelling and cheering as we were on the ride. What did you think, Sadie?
It was really fun.
What was your favorite part?
Probably the parts that I thought we were going to get wet and seeing the baby elephants.
Yeah, that was cool. To Sunshine Season, we are on the hunt for the caramel apple milkshake. Let's see if we can find it. There it is, the caramel apple milkshake for $10.99. Artisanal gelato. I have no idea what that is, and I'm not even going to attempt to butcher it. Whipped cream, candy apple cake, and caramel drizzle. Thank you. You're an artist. Here it is. It's so pretty. I almost don't want to drink it. Okay, this is the caramel apple milkshake. We attempted to drink it, but it is, I guess, way too thick, so we might have to disassemble it and try it with a spoon. That's what they recommended. So I'm going to give this to Sadie to hold.
Yeah. Oh.
And this looks like a cookie. I don't know. Okay. I'm just going to set it down there. We got a layer of whipped cream to get through, a big layer. And here's the ice cream. Very cinnamon-y. Very cinnamon.
Try it.
Try it.
I have my own spoon right here.
You lost her, Chris.
Oh no. Good.
It's good. It's thick.
Very
Taste-
cinnamon.
It does have a very strong cinnamon taste. So if you like cinnamon, get it.
I like it.
And our poor apple crisp cookie is no longer. It's good though. You know what, Sadie? My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard.
No.
Yes, yes it does.
Okay, I'm gonna try the candy apple stick.
We're not sure what it is. We're
Yeah,
guessing chocolate.
yeah.
So
Baby.
give it a bite. Oh. Oh, look at that. It's like a red velvet cake pop.
Mmm.
What's it taste like?
Vanilla.
Vanilla? Okay, let's see. Mmm. I like that better than the actual milkshake. It's really good.
I like both.
No, I think I like the cake pop better. Apple milkshake was delicious. We lost our apple crisp, but they give you a cake pop on top, and that was just as good, probably better. I'm gonna pretend it was better, even though we didn't even get to try the cookie part of it. The shake was okay. It was $11.70, I think, for the shake.
Yeah, that's really expensive. And
I agree.
I mean, it's good, but it's not worth the money.
Yeah, I don't know if I'd get it again, but it was nice to try.
Pop again.
Sadie loved the cake pop.
Here at Earth Eats, they have a red wine braised beef short rib with goat cheese, polenta, puttanesca sauce, shaved pecorino, and petite herbs. Looks pretty good. And they also have a lemon poppy seed cake with lemon icing. I'm gonna skip it today.
Some of the decorations for Food and Wine Fest today. It's almost fall, y'all. All right, we are headed to Canada. We've had enough sweets for the moment. We want some real food again. Oh, we can make a pit stop before Canada. It won't hurt. Grilled cider, brine pork tenderloin, grilled bison. Ooh, cast iron roasted Brussels sprouts. I love a good Brussels sprout. And root vegetables. I mean, it might be worth a try. What do we think?
I'm looking.
Grill nice and hot out here. They're grilling everything fresh to eat. We just got our bison. Cool area. If you have kids, this is the place to be. It's got a little, the ground is like soft. Kids can come, run around. There's some nice shade right here. Okay, let's see. Okay, I really like that. This jam or jelly really gives it a good flavor. Let's try the mushroom. Yeah, you're gonna like that. Give that a try.
It's a little tough to cut through. Hopefully it's not tough. I've got the squash puree and huckleberry gastrique on it. A little bit of mushroom on there as well. It's really good. It is a little chewy, but not nearly as tough as I thought it would be cutting through it.
I think the jam makes it for me. I thought what was it? The huckleberry gastrique, it was definitely complements it well.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, the pork tenderloin. Let's give it a try. Get one of these onions. It's good. I definitely don't like it as much as the beef, but it's good. It's got good flavors. I love it. Both of them. I would get them both again. Absolutely.
So you can see the fennel apple slaw and the pork tenderloin. It's good. I mean, I don't really like fennel. And it's not really a strong fennel taste. I think the apple cider gastrique really helps.
Try
It's
the
good.
chip. Try the chip. Or whatever that. I think that's supposed to be a chip. Is that what it says? It doesn't say, but I think it's supposed to be a chip.
Yeah,
it's far from a chip.
It's far from the chip. It's soft.
Solid. But I guess it's more of a garnish. So the meal itself, the dish itself is pretty good.
I would get it again. I think I'm gonna have to disagree though. I think I like the pork better.
Ooh, no, I don't think so. I think bison all the way, but to each their own.
I think the huckleberry gastrique is a little bitter.
Overpowering, maybe?
I mean, it's a little bitter, and I'm just kind of throwing it off, but I would still try it.
Yeah. Overall, I think they're both. I would get both of them for sure.
Yeah.
So come to Bramblewood and try the bison and get the pork tenderloin.
Sadie having the time of her life with a hula hoop.
Again, this is a good area if you have kids. You want to let them run around a little bit and get some energy out. This is the place to be. Isn't it pretty? You can see they're setting up the barges for Luminous tonight. We're gonna have to come get a good spot and watch it tonight for sure. All right, now let's head to Canada. We're at the Canada Pavilion, and they have the cheddar cheese bacon soup, $6. I don't know, it's so hot out. And the filet mignon with mushroom, parsley, garlic, and finer mashed potatoes.
That sounds better.
Okay, we have a fan favorite returning. The steak from Canada, the filet mignon. It's always a winner to me. So we absolutely had to stop in Canada and get the steak.
Piece. It's actually cooked mid-rare. It's not typical. Usually it's well done. So it's pretty good. It's a little tough. Definitely maybe more even on the rare side.
Yeah.
Which I don't mind. The mushrooms and the potatoes really are good with it. It's a classic. I would get it.
Okay, I got a little bit of everything on the fork to give it a try. It is a little rare, and I like medium rare. This is a little rare for me, but I mean, it's not gonna bother me, I don't think.
They don't realize the pretzel's gonna be like this big.
It's tender. It's really good. The garlic butter, the potatoes, and the mushrooms really just complement it so well. The butter, I could just I want to dunk it all over the steak.
Maybe we'll try for one more, and if it's another
Excellent, as usual.
But we would. Okay, I got a bite of potatoes and steak, and I didn't get a mushroom because I don't really like mushrooms. So, bruh,
You lost your potato.
I lost my potato.
Here, try a little more.
Okay, now I got
Try
it.
that again.
Yeah. There you go. I mean, I love.
Yeah, right?
Mhm.
Really good. Did you try the butter?
No.
Really good. Okay, the ducks are gonna love you because you have food everywhere. We're here in Italy looking at some of the merch. They have these really cute ears. And shirts. A lot of them I'm noticing do not have the price on them. Let's see. This one does not have the price, unfortunately. But they do have some really cute shirts. They're stepping up their game here in Italy for sure. I know, I saw all of them. They're so cute. Look at this tumbler. Oh my gosh. I might need the tumbler. The tumbler is $29.99. And Mickey, there he is. And Mickey and Minnie having dinner or cappuccinos together. It's adorable cup and saucer. And that is also $29.99. This adorable hoodie, $59.99. Italy, Epcot World Showcase. Anything on the back? Nope, just plain. Kind of like it. Another set of Italy ears. No price on these though. I don't see the price, but they're cute. And then we have this button down. And let's see, this one is gonna run you $64.99. Some kitchenware, $27.99 for the hand towels. Oh my goodness, this adorable Spirit jersey. Ciao Italia, Epcot World Showcase. Love this. And we got a Mickey T. Bienvenuto in Italia. Another button up. This one is $64.99. Some of the items in here just don't have a tag on them. They have this really nice zip up. And Mickey's on the back. And this is going to run you $69.99 as well. They have the Topolino ornaments, $26.99. Mickey and Minnie, and a little gondola. The tumbler, Tervis. This is $34.99 for the Tervis Mickey tumbler. These adorable Viva Topolino pillows, $49.99. And Italian Mickey, $34.99 for Italian Mickey. He's so cute. I might need to get him. Here in Italy, this is the Polpettine Toscane. I don't know. It's beef meatballs, rosemary focaccia, and pomodoro sauce. Also have the Italian style nachos, homemade beef, pasta chips, tomato sauce, dried ricotta cheese. This should be interesting. And last, we have the vanilla cheesecake. Vanilla cheesecake, whipped cream, and fresh strawberry sauce. Okay, so Italy is known to not have the best food. I'm hoping this year we turn it around. Come on, Italy. I need you to turn it around. Let's see how it is. All right, we're gonna try the meatballs first. So here goes nothing. I guess I'm just gonna do the whole meatball. Just gonna dunk it in the marinara. Here we go. No, Italy. That's not it. I feel like this is like a meatball you'd get like out of the frozen section at a grocery store, and you throw it in a crock pot, and this is what we got. Sauce is okay. I mean, the meatballs. Now let's try the focaccia. Again, kind of dry. Nothing special. Kind of tastes a little almost stale to me. I don't know. Caleb, try it. Tell me what you think. Tell me if I'm crazy.
Alright.
I mean, it's almost bad. I think I'm gonna say it's bad.
It's like a frozen meatball.
It's kind of embarrassing. I don't know.
It probably is a frozen meatball. Yeah, the sauce is okay, but
Swing and a miss for me.
yeah, to say the least, don't get this.
Very underwhelming. Next, we have the Italian style nachos with the homemade beef, pasta chips, tomato sauce, and the dried ricotta cheese. Let's see if this is any better. I don't know. It looks cold already. I don't know. I'm kind of. It's really greasy. We'll see. Chips are crunchy. Good crunch to the nacho chip.
I'd say they're stale.
Really? Do you think?
Yeah.
Maybe. Maybe that's why it's so crunchy. Yeah, I don't. This is so greasy. I don't show them the grease in the plate. I mean, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I don't know. Italy just is not. I don't even want to finish the chip. It's just not it.
Yeah,
Not good.
Not
Not
good.
right.
Next up, we have.
The vanilla cheesecake. We're hoping this is a
It
win.
has whipped cream and fresh strawberry sauce on top.
Gotta get one good thing out of Italy, I hope. Cheers.
Crustless.
I mean,
It's good. I mean, it's the best thing here.
well, that's not saying much. But yeah,
No, I mean, I like it. I mean, it's good.
I like a crunch again,
Yeah,
and
there's no
no
crust.
crust, so it's just the cheesecake. I mean, it's good.
It's good. If
Not
you
great,
if you
but
do
good.
stop at Italy, this would be something that I would
Poor
get.
Italy. We are at Flavors of America. I think we're gonna pass this year on Flavors of America. We're getting kind of full, and we're just not really in the mood for a hot dog. So they have the New York style all beef hot dog with sauerkraut, onion, tomato sauce, and spicy mustard in a brioche bun. They also have the Chicago style, the Carolina style, and the Southwest style hot dog. And then they have the freshly baked chocolate pudding cake. But again, I think we are going to just have to pass on this one. All right, we're heading into Japan after Italy's disappointment. We're hoping Japan comes through with some better food. Let's see what we got in Japan this year. All All right, teriyaki chicken bun, $7.95. Steamed bun filled with minced chicken, vegetables, and teriyaki sauce. Wagyu temaki sushi for $9.50. Handheld sushi with sweet and savory American Wagyu beef, topped with Takana Japanese pickles and spicy mayo. And eel temaki sushi. Handheld sushi with grilled eel, egg crumbles, cucumber, and pickled radish served with eel sauce. I think we're gonna probably go with the Wagyu sushi. Okay, in true Epcot fashion, we are eating on a trash can right now, trying our food. So we are in Japan and we are gonna try the Wagyu sushi. Let's see what we think. I might get a piece of seaweed maybe to go with it. I don't know. We'll see. Get a little bit of everything. All right, here we go. Okay, it's better than I was expecting. It didn't look too exciting, but it is better than I expected. So, yeah, I mean, I think I like it better than maybe the sushi last year. It's good. It's different.
I'm going to be trying the Wagyu sushi. I'm scared because it doesn't look too appetizing, but let's try it. Not as bad as I thought it would
Right?
be.
It tastes better than it looks. The looks can be deceiving. The peppers give it a good taste. There's almost like a ginger flavor in there. It's like a taco salad, but Japanese. A Japanese taco salad.
That's pretty good.
Right? Better than it looks?
Better than it looks.
Yeah. I think so too. I think it didn't look so great when we got it. I was kind of concerned. But yeah,
Good.
tastes pretty good.
Yeah, I would get it again.
I might go in for another bite.
Okay, we're here in France. I'm not going to attempt to even say some of these names, but the first one is egg, goat cheese, and caramelized onions. And they also have brioche escargot brioche with garlic and parsley cream for $7.95. And they have some braised short rib and cabernet with roasted potatoes, a creme brulee with mango passion, and fruit compote for $5.95. For beverages with alcohol, they have a Pinot Noir, a Brut de Pêche, a frozen French Cosmo, and a cocktail with gin and cranberry juice and Dole pineapple juice. All three of those bottom ones sound delicious. Walking through France, there's the Eiffel Tower. We are gonna go attempt to ride Ratatouille. So come along with us and see. Let's just see how long the wait is for the ride. Look at this view, guys. It's gorgeous. We got the gondolas overhead, the ferry here in the water. It's absolutely beautiful. It's still very humid out, but not nearly as hot as it was earlier today. It's a beautiful night. It is a 55-minute wait, it looks like, for Ratatouille, so I think we're going to go ahead and jump in line. Hopefully it's a little less than that.
Because tonight, Chef Remy is preparing one of his specialties, which I am certain you will enjoy. Remember, food always comes to those who love to cook, but not to those who are ready to do.
We're ready. We got our rat and we're on the move.
Remy, we're twinsies.
Vous leur envoyez un commun? Non. A simple omelet?
No.
Too simple.
I don't want that.
What?
No,
Mais oui,
I
that's it.
don't want that. I said I don't want that.
Ah!
Ah! You're stepping on us. a lot of trouble, but you know, that's fine. That's a big rat. Bye.
Au revoir. Even Ratatouille ride, it never disappoints. We love that ride. We have about 11 minutes until the fireworks, so we're gonna try and see if we can get a good spot. You guys can go there. Yeah, thank you.
To the great gathering.
Welcome.
Bienvenue. Marhaba.
Yokoso.
Welcome.
Benvenuti. Willkommen.
Karibu.
欢迎
Willkommen.
Bienvenidos.
Symphony of Us. We begin to recognize the music in others, trading notes and improvising. Music becomes play. Sometimes we find another, and our melodies blend. And suddenly, with the hum of our heartstrings, our world becomes a duet. Inevitably in life, the accompaniment drops out, and we experience great loss. We find that the melodies we cherish are gone, and for a moment, we are playing alone. When somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. When she sing out so others can hear you. The music we make echoes back at us in chorus, in concert, in symphony.
Communicore Hall area all lit up at night. It's so beautiful. Spaceship Earth. Always beautiful. It's so nice being able to walk this way to get out. The days of going around were rough leaving the park. Good night! Have a good night! Good night! Good night! Good night! Thank you, you too! Have a great night! Bye-bye!
And with that, we are going to call it a night here at Epcot.
We had a great day at Epcot, trying some of the foods here at Epcot for the Food and Wine Festival. I think we did a lot today. We rode some rides. We got to ride Remy and Soarin, and we tried a lot of different things from this year's festival that wasn't here from last year. I think we had a good day.
And that fireworks show was pretty good. It's not every day that you see Disney actually improve the fireworks show after they originally released it. There was definitely more fireworks in the show tonight.
Yeah, it was awesome. We're tired, we're pretty sweaty, so we're gonna call it a night. Y'all have a good night. Be sure to subscribe. Check us out at visionsofmagic.com for all the latest and greatest Disney news. See you real soon, guys. Bye.